Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint leaves. Mint is incredibly versatile, offering a burst of fresh flavor to both sweet and savory creations. It's also surprisingly easy to grow, making it a fantastic herb to have on hand. We'll explore simple ways to incorporate this aromatic herb into your daily routine, from refreshing beverages to delightful meals, ensuring you get the most out of your mint. Mint truly shines in the kitchen. For beverages, simply muddle a few leaves to release their essential oils, creating a wonderfully refreshing drink. Try it in a classic mojito or a simple glass of water with lemon. In cooking, mint pairs beautifully with lamb, peas, and even chocolate. A handful of chopped mint can elevate a simple fruit salad or a bowl of yogurt to something extraordinary. Mint's uses extend far beyond just culinary applications. Its potent aroma makes it a natural insect repellent. Simply place fresh sprigs near entry points to deter pests. A warm cup of mint tea is a time-honored remedy for indigestion, offering a comforting and soothing effect. You can also create fragrant sachets with dried mint to naturally freshen your home, adding a pleasant scent to any space. To keep your mint fresh for as long as possible, treat it like a bouquet of flowers. Place the stems in a glass of water, cover the top loosely with a plastic bag, and refrigerate. This method can keep your mint vibrant for up to 1 week. For longer storage, finely chop the leaves and freeze them in ice cube trays with a little water or olive oil, ready for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.